Traveling across the Atlantic Ocean by a boat takes approximately 10 to 20 days. Traveling the same distance with a plane would instead take 10 to 12 hours, which is 97% less travel time. The invention of the aircraft is an undeniable and a great milestone in the progression of civilization. Looking back at the discovery of the aircraft, the name, the Wright brothers, is one that is familiar. And although the Wright brothers truly revolutionized the way we travel with the invention of the powered control aircraft in 1902, we have to look back even further to really find out what past discoveries led to this invention and who was behind it. Before the Wright brothers, and even before Leonardo da Vinci's drawing of a flying machine, there was a Muslim man by the name of Abbas bin Firnas, who lived during the 9th century. This man was the first to attempt and succeed in flying, a man who made discoveries that led to the evolution of the aircraft. Abbas was a polymath of his time. He became a renowned poet, astronomer, astrologer, musician, and an engineer. These facts are on the contrary to the belief that he was a crazy man that jumped off cliffs and mountains, attempting to fly without real use of science and engineering. His first attempt to fly was in the year 852. Abbas took a loose cloak stiffened with wooden struts. He went up the minaret of the great mosque of Cordoba. As soon as he jumped, he went straight down. But because of his design, the cloak acted like a parachute. Instead, we could say this was the first parachute jump of its time. Despite this first failed attempt, Abbas was determined to move forward with his vision to fly. It took him 20 years of research and studying other fields of science before his comeback, when he gave flying another chance. At the age of 70 and years of work, trial and error, Abbas bin Firnas perfected his flying machine, a machine made of silk and eagle's feathers, and decided his next location to jump would be off a mountain cliff. This time, his flight was successful. He managed to stay in the air for more than 10 minutes. Unfortunately, his plan for landing was not as carefully thought out, and he crashed, breaking the wings on his flying machine and one of his vertebrae. After this attempt, he continued his research, further observing birds and how they fly and land. In doing so, he observed the importance of a bird's tail when landing, one part of his flying machine that he had not carefully considered. His discovery on the importance of a tail on an aircraft for landing was one that came before future research into the design of flying machines. This is why all modern airplanes land on their rear wheels first, the same way that birds come to land using their tails and legs, which slows them down and allows them to land. Airports, bridges, and parks today are named after Abbas bin Firnas, recognizing his everlasting achievements and contribution to the engineering of the airplane. Even one of the craters of the moon has been named after him. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.